In the heart of autumn, when the air turns crisp and the leaves begin their fiery descent, a group of college students set out on a journey that would forever haunt their souls. Their destination? Shadowed Hollow, a remote and foreboding forest rumored to be cursed by ancient spirits. Excitement bubbled within the group as they packed their bags and piled into a convoy of cars, eager for adventure and the promise of unforgettable memories. But as they ventured deeper into the wilderness, the vibrant hues of fall gave way to a darkness that seemed to swallow the very light around them. It was as if Shadowed Hollow itself resisted their intrusion, its towering trees casting long, twisted shadows that danced like specters in the fading daylight. Unease settled over the group, but their youthful bravado spurred them onward, eager to prove their mettle in the face of the unknown. As night descended like a suffocating blanket, they made camp beneath the looming canopy of trees, their laughter echoing through the stillness of the forest. But their mirth was short-lived, for as the fire crackled and the shadows danced, they felt the weight of something ancient and malevolent pressing down upon them. It began with whispers, soft and insidious, drifting through the darkness like tendrils of smoke. At first, they dismissed them as tricks of the imagination, but as the night wore on, the whispers grew louder, their words incomprehensible yet filled with a sense of foreboding. One by one, the students succumbed to a fitful sleep, their dreams plagued by visions of shadowed figures and haunting melodies that seemed to seep into their very souls. And when they awoke, they found themselves alone in the heart of Shadowed Hollow, their companions vanished without a trace. Panic gripped the group as they searched frantically for any sign of their missing friends, their cries swallowed by the oppressive silence of the forest. But the deeper they delved into Shadowed Hollow, the more they realized that they were not alone. Strange symbols adorned the trees, their meaning lost to time but radiating a palpable sense of malevolence. The air grew thick with the scent of decay, and strange lights flickered in the darkness, leading them ever deeper into the heart of the forest. It was there, in a clearing bathed in moonlight, that they found their missing friends, their faces twisted in agony as they writhed upon the forest floor. And above them, a shadowy figure loomed, its form shifting and indistinct, but undeniably real. With a primal scream, the students fled, their hearts pounding in their chests as they raced through the tangled undergrowth, desperate to escape the nightmare that had consumed them. But no matter how far they ran, they could not shake the feeling of being watched, of being hunted by something ancient and vengeful. As dawn broke over the horizon, casting long shadows across the forest floor, the survivors emerged from Shadowed Hollow, their bodies battered and their minds shattered by the horrors they had witnessed. And though they returned to the safety of civilization, they would forever carry with them the scars of their ordeal, a grim reminder of the darkness that lurks within the shadows of the world.
Dear viewers, if you like to watch this kind of stories, do subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.